Good morning, student. How are you? Okay, now let's start our topic geometrical figures. Our topic geometrical figures. Okay, from geometrical figures we see vertex and side. Okay, in last video we see the vertex and sides of rectangle. We see vertex and sides of rectangle. Now our next geometrical figure is square. Today we see the how many vertex and how many sides have a square. Okay. Now everyone know the square. Okay, I draw here a square. Okay, this is a square. I name it, okay? Okay, this is a square. This is a square. Now, a square has four sides. Okay, a square has four sides. Everyone know the square has four sides. Square ला किती बाजू असतात? चार बाजू असतात. ठीक आहे. Our first point is sides. Okay, this square has four sides. The name of sides are side PM. Okay, now side PMR, side RS or SR, and side PS. Okay, the square have four sides. ठीक आहे. चौकोनाला किती बाजू असतात? चार बाजू असतात. Side or we can say edges. Square have four edges. Now how many vertex have a square? How many vertex have a square? Four. Okay, there are four vertex of a square. Vertex P, vertex M, vertex R, and vertex S. Okay, I told you what is meant by vertex. Vertex means where two sides join together. This point is called a vertex. Okay, where two lines meet each other in a figure, in a square. In a square or rectangle or triangle. Okay, कुठल्याही आकृतीमध्ये जिथे दोन लाइन्स, दोन बाजू, okay, not lines, two sides of a figure meet each other, this point is called a vertex. Okay, vertex म्हणजे तुम्हाला मी सांगितलेलं. vertex म्हणजे काय? जिथे एखाद्या फिगर मधल्या दोन बाजू एकत्र येतात त्या पॉइंटला काय म्हणतात? vertex म्हणतात. Now how many vertex have a square? There are vertex also four. Okay, vertex P, vertex M, vertex R, and vertex S. Okay, square have a four vertex. Square have four sides or edges, and square have a four vertex. Okay, now all the sides of square are equal. Okay, everyone know this. All the sides of a square, all the sides means this PM, MR, SR, and PS. These all sides are equal. Okay, in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay, in rectangle, opposite sides are of equal length. But in square, all the sides are of equal size or equal length. Okay, square मध्ये काय असतं? चारी बाजू समान असतात, समान लांबीच्या असतात. The all four sides of square are of equal length. चारही बाजू स्क्वेअरच्या कशा असतात? समान लांबीच्या असतात. ओके, नाउ all angles from square or all angles in a square are of 90 degree. Okay, all angles of a square are of 90 degree, or all the angles are right angles. Okay, it's all angles are right angle. Square चे सगळे अँगल काय असतात? राईट अँगल असतात. राईट अँगल्स म्हणजेच काय ते 90 डिग्रीचे असतात. दिस ऑल अँगल्स. ओके, these are angles. Angle SPM, angle PMR, angle MRS, all angle RSP. These all four angles are right angle. Okay, square चे सगळे अँगल कसे असतात? राईट अँगल असतात. ठीक आहे. I draw here angle. Okay, PMR. Okay, PMR, MRS, or angle RSP, or angle SPM. Okay, these are four angles of square. These are four angles of square. Okay, these all angles are of equal measurement. इक्वल मेजरमेंट म्हणजे समान मेजरमेंट असते. किती असतं ते? 90 डिग्री असतं. मीन्स दिस ऑल अँगल्स आर राईट अँगल. ठीक आहे. दिस आर मेन पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम स्क्वेअर. ओके, ह्या स्क्वेअर जॉमेट्रिकल फिगर स्क्वेअर जे आहे त्यामधले हे 3 मेन पॉइंट आहेत. 3 आणि 4. ओके, 3 to 4 these main points you have to revise this point or you have to तुम्ही ते काय केले लक्षात ठेवले पाहिजे. ओके, this first point is the square has 4 sides. Okay, second is square has 4 vertices. Now third is the all angles of a square are right angles. All angles of a square are right angle. ठीक है. Now our next point is triangle. Our third geometrical figure is triangle. Okay, I draw a triangle here. This is a triangle. I name it YRL. Okay, this is a triangle YRL. Okay, in a triangle how many sides are there? 3. Angle have a 3 sides. Side YR, side RL, and side YL. Okay, there are 3 sides. Angle have a 3 sides. Now how many vertex have a triangle? Vertex are also 3. The vertex Y, vertex R, and vertex L. Okay, triangle have a 3 vertex also. Sides are 3 and vertex also 3. Okay, now a triangle has 3 angles also. A triangle have 3 angles also. There are 3 angles. And which are these angles? The angle YRL. Okay, angle RLY and angle LYR. Okay, this YRL. This is the one angle. Okay, now RLY. This is the second angle. Okay, now LYR. This is the third angle. Okay, angles are 3. Now these are our geometrical figures. We first see geometrical figure we see about angles. Okay, types of angles. Now second we learn about circle. Okay, the chord, radius, diameter, everything about circle and how to draw a circle. Okay, now we learn about geometrical figures rectangle, triangle, and square. Okay, these three figures are vertex and sides of these 3 figures, or also अबाउट अँगल्स. अबाउट अँगल्स म्हणजे ह्या 3 फिगर मधल्या रेक्टँगल, स्क्वेअर आणि ट्रायंगल ह्या 3 फिगर बद्दल आपण काय काय बघितलं. त्याचे साइड्स किती आहेत, त्याचे व्हर्टेक्स किती आहेत, अँड हाऊ मेनी अँगल्स आर देअर अँड विच आर दे. ओके, म्हणजे कुठले अँगल्स असतात, किती अँगल्स असतात आणि किती डिग्रीचे असतात किंवा कुठल्या टाईपचे अँगल असतात, हे आपण सगळं ह्या टॉपिक मध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. इन टॉपिक जॉमेट्रिकल फिगर वी लर्न अबाउट अँगल्स, सर्कल, rectangle, in short rectangle, square and triangle also. How many vertex, sides and angles. So you have to revise this topic, okay, and solve the problem set also. You have to revise this topic and solve the problem set also. Okay. Now see you again in next video with next chapter. Okay, bye.